Yo, man, are you not cold?
No, I'm Canadian, but I'm also the proud owner of a Nocta mystery box. I've been waiting so long to see what's inside here, so let's go inside and take a look. Yeah, just like everybody was looking for during the Black Friday sale, I actually got my hands on one of the Nocta mystery boxes, and it's like December 24th right now while we're recording this. This actually came in about 2 days ago. Just landed on my doorstep. Honestly, completely forgot that I ordered it. But here it is. I'm extremely excited. I've been seeing a lot of people have been getting some really good pulls from this. Some people have been getting items that haven't even been released yet. So we're about to take a look, see where our luck is, and see what we got inside the box. Don't want to struggle with this before I cut something.
Wait, where were you the last few weeks? 'Cause I didn't see any uploads.
I went on a little trip. I had a lot of fun. If you guys want to check out the highlights of that trip, be sure to check out my YouTube short. I'll post a little clip right here. Feel free to check it out on my channel. If I could open a box properly. Okay. Okay, so we got some wrapping here. Thanks for securing your Nocta Black Friday mystery box. If luck was ever going to show up for you, we hope it was today. See right here. That's pretty awesome. Alrighty. Now I'm absolutely curious of what I got. Honestly, to me, it feels like shoebox, but we absolutely do not know at the moment. Yep. I was right, it was a shoebox. Let's see what type of shoe this is. Very interesting. Right here, we got the Nocta logo on the box as well, and it looks like it's the Nike Air Zoom Drive SP. Let's take a look at what's inside here. Let me just move anything. All right, now that all those boxes are out of the way, let's focus on the box that really matters over here. Okay, your classic Nike with all their wrapping. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are heat. Wow. You guys can take a look at that. I'll post some B-roll as well while I'm talking. But just taking a look at the shoe already, you can already see like the tag here. It says Nocta. You have the logo right over here. The insole looks incredible. Hope you can see that on the camera. And on the bottom here, we have the Nocta logo. Man, this is really nice. I'm gonna have to wear this on another trip. Let's take a look at this. Take a look at the other one. Okay, and it's very interesting because it seems like you can change the lace, so we can get an orange lace up of these shoes right here. But yeah, same thing. It has an Air Max bubble right here. The bottom just looks really incredible. But even the back over here, this is absolutely incredible. I'd say this is definitely worth the $70 that I spent on these. I'll post right here what these shoes usually cost if I didn't buy it with the mystery box. But yeah, this is what I got. All right, guys, just a quick sidebar away from these shoes. My channel is at 176 subscribers. We are so close to 200, and it will be absolutely awesome to crush that 200 goal by the time New Year's comes around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to take a look at our channel. There might be some stuff that you like there. And please, it would be awesome if you guys hit subscribe and help us reach our goal. Other than that, happy holidays and happy New Year's. See you guys in the next one.